Hey guys, we're in Katy, Texas. I'm close to, well, there's deer moss right there. Fryer power is like out. It's snowing. See if I can get close to the sign. Yeah. I tried to go live, but, well, Periscope is moving to Twitter, so they won't let you go live, and it said my channel didn't meet requirements. So I'm just like recording. I'm going to upload in the Solar Mill subdivision here. But I used to be able to go live when these storms come in. So I heard Westlake is out. We're Silver Mill. I don't know where else. Lots of electricity is out right now in a lot of neighborhoods. We came back up for like a minute. We got someone riding their bike out here. This is crazy. Right now I've got my flash on, so. But we're like on the outskirts of Houston. And, I don't know. My daughter was telling me like all the neighborhoods. I don't know if Cinco Ranch is out. She was saying 5 neighborhoods without power right now. So I thought they might be just rolling them out. But haven't heard anything yet. So the trees are iced up. See if I can go over here some. It's like hopefully I won't fall. This is major snow. So if anyone's in Silver Mill, the roads, I'm like freezing out here, y'all. There's the light out to Morton. I'm losing snow. Complete snow, y'all. Try not to get my camera wet. Gosh. I think I'm frozen now. Almost slipped. Anyways, I'm gonna upload this.